Hi YouTube. I'm gonna do this Ali by Mustafa. Someone asked me a question about the second guitar. What is the second guitar playing? All right, because the first guitar is playing these high notes. The second guitar is playing a bass line almost, except just on guitar. It's out over four bars, and it's basically playing out of the B minor scale, and it's kind of like something like this. So we're playing an open D, and then G at the second fret and D at the fourth fret. And then we play a D on the D string at the second fret. We can play the same G at the second fret to D on the fourth fret. And then it goes to F sharp. You can play that with our thumb, or you can play it with your finger, whichever you want to do it, at the second fret on the E string. And then you can do the same G, D string, and then it goes back to D. That's a simple version. Now you could add, they're not playing it the same way every time. You can add notes like, so you can mix it up. You don't have to play it the same way every time. Okay, thanks for watching.